Morning, all of you, my respective teacher, principal sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Ishwari Navnath Chavan. I am studying in 5th standard. Today, I am going to tell you about importance of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is most auspicious day for the people of India. Furthermore, it is most auspicious day for the people of India becomes independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15 August became very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrated this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at Red Fort in the national capital in New Delhi. For the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at the we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort in New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include march past culture programs by the school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day. To remember the lives that we sacrifice to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggle for our country. Furthermore, on this day we forgot our differences and units as one true nation should. Wish you all very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.